Hi kabayan, ito nag-attend ako ng Sri Lankan New Year. So ang New Year nila iba pala yung Sri Lankan New Year. It's April 15, tapos sineselebrate nila ng Saturday. Kasi Saturday kadalasan walang pasok eh. So ayan. Kaya instead of 15, kumbaga na-celebrate ng maaga dahil walang pasok. Ito, Sri Lanka New Year. Nandito kami sa park. Sa park ng Las Vegas. Here we go. Ayan o. Ayan. Party. May kain. Hi,
Picture that one, oh, see?
Say hi, say hi. Say hi na lang ka.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
What's in Sri
Happy
Lanka?
New Year.
Subalutaru.
Happy New Year for Sri Lanka New Year.
Subalutaru Dakera. Subalutaru. Subalutaru Dakera.
Oh my God, I cannot talk. Oh my goodness.
Happy New Year.
It's a new year. There's a new year. Ayan. Sri Lanka New Year. That's their flag. Ayan ang flag nila. Ayan. Ang flag nila parang may lion eh. Ito, ang cute ng mga bata. Ang Sri Lanka.
Ready.
Ayan. Yeah, kasi dito na sila lumaki kaya naintindihan nila yung English. Hindi hindi na silang language. Huh? So cute the kids. Ang cute ng mga bata. Dito, kasi mainit eh. Oh my God. Mainit mga kababayan. Let's see. Ito yung What kind of game that one nilam ka?
This game I want to say, I don't know. I didn't know.
Now they start the game. Pisa sila ng Ayan, ang gana yan, nag-game na sila. Nag-game na sila. There we go. They're dancing. Ayan, oh. Ganda.
kain.
Okay, I'm coming. After this. Ayan, ang ganda ng sayaw nila.
Where's mom? I saw her right there.
Ah, tapos na. Ayan pa na, may continue. There you go. Ayan na, iba na naman.